Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. I'm always looking for ways to improve my family and my health. I found these B&U Propolis extract shot. I've been loving this product because B&U provides efficient, high-quality products based on scientific facts. This has all three along with the miracle Anatolian propolis extract. This contains the essential dose of vitamin C, vitamin D, and zinc that you need to boost your immune system. Something I also appreciate about B&U is that they provide high quality product that has no artificial ingredients. You need one shot daily to boost your immune system. So if you're looking to improve your health or your families, I highly recommend this product by B&U. Not only is this product great for your health, but it's delicious as well. The flavor, it's just like an orange juice. I've been loving this product. They truly provide what they promise, and that is my point of view.